In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily pin chats on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to open up Instagram app. Once it is done, tap right here to go to your chats. Here, as you can see, I got a bunch of chats in this list, and now let's say I want to pin that particular conversation to the top of this list. In this case, all we have to do is just swipe to the left, and that's where we can easily find this pin option. I can just tap right here, and now this conversation is pinned to the top of this list. In this way, we can pin several conversations, and actually, guys, in the same way, we can easily unpin them, just like that. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.